Chapter 4. The Western Desert. Learning Objectives. Locate the Western Desert on the map of India. Recognize how water conservation is important. Understand the climate, landforms, and vegetation. Explore the famous historical sites, festivals, and traditions. Learn about the lifestyle, occupations, and culture of the people. The Thar Desert lies to the west of the Aravalli Range, stretching from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat through Rajasthan to the borders of Punjab and Haryana. The Western Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. The land. The Thar Desert is covered with a thick layer of loose sand, which makes the land dry and arid. At some places, small hills of sand known as sand dunes are formed. These sand dunes keep changing their shape and location as the wind blows across the desert. Water is scarce in this region and very few streams or rivers flow through the desert. These streams are called wadis. The Luni River is the most important river in the Thar Desert. In some areas, underground water sources rise to the surface, forming oases. The land around an oasis is fertile, allowing people to grow crops. Many villages and settlements are built near oases. Climate. The Western Desert experiences an extreme climate throughout the year. Summers are extremely hot with temperatures rising above 50 degrees Celsius. Winters are cold with temperatures dropping below 10 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is very low with the region receiving less than 25 centimeters of rain annually. Water sources in the desert. Since rainfall is very limited, there is always very little water. Women in villages walk long distances to fetch water. People in the desert rely on various methods to collect and store water. Oasis, a small area in the desert where water is available. Luni River, the only major river in the desert. Tankas, underground water storage tanks where rainwater is collected. Indira Gandhi Canal, a canal that carries water from the Satluj River to the desert region, helping in irrigation and farming. Natural vegetation and wildlife. Even though the desert appears dry and barren, certain plants and animals have adapted to the extreme climate. Vegetation in the desert. Some common plants found here are cactus, stores water in its thick stem. Khejri tree, used for food, firewood, and soil conservation. Babul tree, has long roots that absorb water from deep underground. Wildlife of the Thar Desert. Some important animals found here include camel, known as the ship of the desert. It can survive without water for many days. Chinkara, Indian gazelle, a small graceful animal found in desert region. Black buck, a rare antelope with spiraled horn. Great Indian bustard, one of the rarest birds in India, found only in the Thar Desert. The camel is the most useful animal in the desert. Occupations. The people living in the Thar Desert engage in various occupations. Farming. Farmers grow bajra, pearl millet, jowar, maize, sesame, and groundnut. Animal rearing. Many people raise camels, sheep, goats, and cattle. Handicrafts. The region is famous for mirror embroidery, pottery, puppet making, and leather work. Some people move from one place to another place in search of food for themselves and their animals. Such people are called banjaras. Houses. Houses are made of mud and straw, which help keep them cool in summer and warm in winter. The roofs are flat and have small windows to reduce the amount of hot air coming inside. Some homes have underground water storage tanks, tankas. Lifestyles. Clothing. Men wear loose cotton clothes and turbans. Women wear bright ghagras, skirts, odhnis, scarves, and embroidered blouses. Food. People eat bajra roti, dal, ke sangri, and dal bati churma. Festivals. The region is known for grand festivals including Gangor and Tej. Folk dances and music. The Ghumar and Kalbelia dance forms are famous. Famous cities. The Thar Desert is home to many historical cities. Jaisalmer. It is known as the Golden City, famous for its sandstone fort. Jodhpur. It is called the Blue City, known for the Mehrangarh Fort. Bikaner. It is famous for its camel festival and sweets. Jaipur. It is known as the Pink City. It is famous for blue pottery. Chapter Recap. The Western Desert is located in Rajasthan and nearby states. It has a hot and dry climate with very little rainfall. Sand dunes and oases are important features of the desert. The Indira Gandhi Canal brings water to some parts of the desert. Camels, chinkaras, and desert foxes are adapted to desert